Welcome back. You can research individual transactions for the sales that you have generated as a vendor from within your WarriorPlus account. And to do that, you're going to go to your vendor tab. You're then going to click on the Transactions tab link. You will then see a list of your transactions. And you can research those transactions based on the buyer email, the product name, the item number, or the transaction ID. You can also sort for a specific period of time in order to narrow down your results. You can sort further by going to the Status tab. And you'll see that you can then search for all products that have been refunded. You'll also be able to search for all products that are in dispute. And what this means is that if you know any part of the information, you can place that information in the search area. For example, you can place one keyword for your product to find all of the product offers that you have sold in a particular period of time with the keyword in the results. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.